Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. If you've been using Trust Wallet to store or manage your crypto assets, you might want to log out or log the app when you are done. So in that case, launch open the Trust Wallet application first and make sure that you're inside this page. From the home page, go to the top of the screen and tap on the main wallet drop-down. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. Click on the three dots right next to the wallet you want to log out of, and then before logging out, make sure that you have backed up your recovery phrases. If not, go to the manual option or the iCloud option and back up your recovery phrases right away. Once you have the recovery phrases, you can then go to the top right corner and click on the trash can icon and then click on delete. In order to log out of your wallet, you'll need to delete your wallet, but make sure you have your recovery phrases so that you can get back to your wallet anytime you want. There's no specific logout button in Trust Wallet, so you'll need to remove the wallet so that you can log out of it. Once you are done, you'll be redirected to the main welcome page, and that's how you successfully log out of your Trust Wallet account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.